He went to go get food.
Oh, right.
Hi. You can't park there. You gotta park on this side. I'm videoing. I'll tell you what's going on. It's a mess here. Alright, so this is 16T, which had PTC problems. It's a continuation, third video here. 16T. The conductor had to get out and walk the whole train because the PTC put him in emergency even though he had a clear signal. The cab signal wasn't the same. The cab signal was not the same. Back up. The cab signal was not the same as the signals, so it put him in emergency. Had talked to the conductor, very nice guy, and now they're starting to move again. Again, this is 16T. 16T. Yeah, go ahead. Just back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. 16T, heading east on Main 1. Yeah, we offered to give him a ride to check it, but he had to check the train. And then Shane went down to give him a ride back to the front end. And I offered him tea. It's sitting right here. It already cleared the defect detector. 16T. Yeah, 94M already tripped the defect detector, and he's on 2. He's literally he's somewhere between here and the bridge. These are new. Yeah, 20.
Nice. Hey, they had the SW8 today for Reading Order.
Yeah, they had 5010 too. Went by.
10?
Yeah. High hood. NS.
Yeah, I saw that. That's cool. That's a 19G, right? I saw red 19G.
NS. I don't know. It's a high hood.
No, I said the train number was 19G.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
The video's up. It's on YouTube.
Okay, yeah.
A lot of good power today. And we got 20 Rs coming with interstate leading.
Finally, leading. Yeah. Finally, somebody leading. It wasn't even into Conway yet. It was like 4 hours. According to Brett. Or just down the station?
No, we did Temporal, Boardwalk. Drove by the outer station, but there was nothing going on there.
Nothing? It was dead. They were only doing stuff at the Boardwalk.
Yeah, all the power took a lot of cars and went back to Portland. Smith or whatever.
I know that.
North Reading Flash Lane? Yes. That went up. Yes. That went up to Clinton. And switchers were ready to go into Reading to scale. They've been scaling stuff for NS all day. But this guy had PTC issues, and it put him in emergency. And he jokingly said, "Yeah, I wonder, what did he say? Something about the air?"
Oh yeah, that's another thing.
Literally said something about the air.
I thought he had brake failure. As soon as he went to pull again,
we heard the air come out.
I am officially 18. Mike Gaggle said I said it's jinxed or something. It's betting on football games. The moment I walk into the living room and I watch football with him,
watch your language.
Something goes wrong.
Right.
The other team scores a touchdown and he gets screwed like on the points and all that. Because that's why I'm like, dude. What?
It's coming. 94M.
Yo, that's the Eco.
94M? Well, it's maintenance away.
Yeah. It should be, it probably won't be that operation life server 59.
Actually, our life server.
I think that might be a 48. So this comes from
All right. As 17T makes its way east, this is 16T. 16T makes its way east. 94M, maintenance away train, is now coming east on Main 2. 94M. 3038's leading. So you got 16T on 1, 94M on 2. Oh, I hope he's not dumping ballast. 4655 is going. Our Operation Lifesaver is different on there. Alright, continuing with 16T heading east on 1. 16T east on 1. This just made, I don't know. Hydrogen peroxide. Yeah. I don't think it's we pulled this over the wall. This is great. I didn't know they put grain on that. Yeah, that's how they stick it over the hole. Specification on hopper, trailer full of grain. Right? Yeah. It's what usually both allows grain form. I believe this thing comes from Alabama. It doesn't count. It's true. I'm saying 35. Yeah, so I remember here comes that new blue GTA X box and an old one. Sorry, I got you. Check it in. Check that in, please. 16T. I got it. I got it. I got it. That's 5. 5 tall. Now. That's an old car now that they're using for flat cars. Here we go, this is another telephone code. That's 4 inches. so 16T, 16T, eastbound on Main 1 with the Lackawanna as a second DPU unit after PTC problems and an emergency air dump.